back, Mr. Wiseman speaking. So, we're going to do some revision as we are now in our exam week for mathematics. We're going to be writing next week, Friday. Now, it's very important that this type of question, okay, you are able to answer it properly because this is where you score most of your marks. Because remember, the paper is set in a way that you begin from the lowest to going up to the highest. So this type of question are very important to get it right. Now let's dive into the video to understand how to answer this type of videos. Now, question one, okay, question one is always solve for x. So the format is always question one, solve for x. Question two, other laws and exponents. Question three, it's continued. And then now question one, this is how it begins. Now they're saying must solve for x. Remember, when it's given in this form here, it's very when it's given in this form here, we are very lucky. All we have to do, we have to say x minus 3. Okay, so the value of x equals to 3. Okay, so because everything here we're equating it to 0. So that was 1.1.1. Now, if we do the other one, which is 2x, okay, 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Therefore, 2x equals to 5. Okay, since it's equal to 5, then the value of x equals to, remember we're transposing, since this is positive 5, become negative 5. So negative 5 over 2. See, this one is very easy. Now 1.1.2. Okay, 1.1.2. So the first thing we try to do, okay, we try to take this 4 and spread it to the x and negative 3. So when we try to spread it out, we're going to have something like 4x. Okay, 4x minus 12 equals to negative x squared. Okay, negative x squared. So it's very important our x squared, okay, our x squared must always be positive. So we're going to transpose it to the left hand side. When we do that, we're going to have something like x squared minus 4x. It's x squared plus 4x minus 12. Once you have it in the standard form, okay, now this is where our calculator become our best friend. You open up your calculator, then you're gonna press mode 5, which is the EQN 5 3. Okay, because that's where our exponent was a 2. Okay, now once we do that, the number in front of x squared, it's 1. The number in front of x, it's 4. The number in front of the constant, which is c, it's negative 12. As I said, this gives us our final answer. We have to just work one step backward. So we have a working out of x minus 2. Therefore the value of x equals to 2. Okay, or then we take out our calculator, we press again, equal to negative 6. So since that's negative 6, therefore before it was x plus 6, therefore the value of x equals to negative 6. Now once you're done with that, okay, 1.1.3, okay, 1.1.3. The good thing of 1.1.3, once you just see answer to 2 correct decimal places, just your quadratic formula must come in mind. Okay, your quadratic formula is always given in the data sheet, okay, behind your paper. So this is your quadratic formula. Your quadratic formula tells us it's negative b plus or minus, okay, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, okay, minus 4ac all over 2a, okay, 2a. Let's continue this side here, okay, all over 2a. Now it's very important to identify whatever number that is in front of a, whatever number is in front of x, that's it, x squared, that is our a, this is our b, and this is our c, which is our constant, okay. Now once we do that, okay, it's negative, so it will be negative 2 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 2 squared, minus 4. What's our a? Our a is 3. What's our c? Our c is negative 4. Negative 4. And what is our? Okay, all over 2a. Now once you a 2a, what's our a? Okay, sorry. Let's see what's our a. What's our a? Our a is 3. Okay. Once you have it in this form, okay, once you have it in this form, all you can do, you open again our best friend, your calculator, until you go and finish grade 12 is your best friend. You open your best friend, okay, you open up your best friend. Let's try. Okay, open up your best friend, then you're gonna press, okay, we already, it's mode number 5, 3, okay. Once we do that, so our a, we said it was 3, our b, we said it was 2, our c, we said it was negative 4. Okay, then you press SD. So remember, they say correct to 2 decimal place, and those are, when we correct into 2 decimal place, if the third number, okay, is higher than 5, then therefore the second number will change. So since this 8 is greater than 5, this 6 here will eventually become 0,87. Not 67, but 87. Okay. Now we open up our calculator again. We say equal to shift. Okay, now this 5 here, 5 is equal to 5. So therefore this 3 here will become into 4. So we have an answer of negative 1,54. Okay. Now this is all for this video. Okay, this is all for this video. Now that you have the knowledge that you require, okay, it is time to go and shock your paper, okay. See you in our next video. In our next video, we're going to continue from this, okay. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Thank you.